Coca-Cola Company. In 1886, pharmacist John Pemberton from Columbus, Georgia invented the original Coca-Cola drink and sold it as a medicinal beverage. Frank M. Robinson is credited with naming the product and creating its logo. Robinson chose its name a Coca-Cola because of its two main ingredients, cocoa leaves and cola nuts, and because it sounds like a alliteration. John Pemberton promoted the drink with the limited budget that he had succeeded. In 1889, American businessman Asa G. Candler completed his purchase of the Coca-Cola formula and brand from Pemberton's heirs. In 1892, the Coca-Cola was being sold in every state in the Union. In 1919, the company was sold to Ernest Woodruff's Trust Company of Georgia. Coca-Cola's first and read Coca-Cola delicious, refreshing, exhilarating, invigorating. Candler was one of the first businessmen to use merchandising in his ad strategy. As of 1948, Coca-Cola had claimed about 60% of its market share. By 1984, the Coca-Cola Company's market share decreased to 21.8% due to new competitors, namely Pepsi. According to the Coca-Cola Company's 2005 annual report, the firm at that time sold beverages products in more than 200 countries. The 2005 report further states that of the more than 50 billion beverage servicing of all types consumed worldwide, daily beverages bearing the trademarks owned by or licensed to Coca-Cola account for approximately $1.5 billion. In 2010, it was announced that Coca-Cola had become the first brand to top £1 billion in annual UK grocery sales. In 2017, Coke sales were down 11% from a year earlier due to consumer taste shifting away from sugary drinks. The Coca-Cola Company is an American multinational corporation, manufacturer, retailer and marketer of non-alcoholic beverage concessions and syrups. The company produces Coca-Cola, invented in 1886 by pharmacist John Stith Pemberton in Atlanta, Georgia. The company has operated franchised distribution system since 1889. The company largely produces syrups concentrate, which is then sold various bottlers throughout the world. The company owns its anchor bottler in North America, Coca-Cola Refreshments. The Coca-Cola Company is the world's largest producer of plastic waste, producing over 3 million tons of plastic packaging each year, including 110 billion plastic bottles. Coca-Cola advertising has been amongst the most prolific in marketing history. The logo, bottle design and brand image are highly recognizable by most of them. Their product is ranked as the number one soft drink. They have exclusive vendor company partnership. This company also markets via mobile marketing and text messages. The Coca-Cola company offers more than 350 brands in over 200 countries aside from its namesake Coca-Cola beverage. Fanta and Sprite are some popular products of this company. Tab was Coca-Cola's first attempt to develop a diet soft drink. The product is still sold today from 1963. In 1969, the company released Simba, which was its take on Mountain Dew. On July 6, 2006, a Coca-Cola employee and two other people were arrested and charged with trying to sell trade secret information to the soft drink maker's competitor PepsiCo for $1.5 million. The recipe for Coca-Cola, perhaps the company's most closely guarded secret. Coca-Cola sponsored the English Football League, N-Power, 2010 FIFA World Cup, AFL, NHRA, NASCAR, the PGA Tour, NCAA Champions, the Olympic Games, East Lake Golf Club, Philippine Basketball Association, 2006 FIFA World Cup.